The tailgate panel moldings can easily get damaged after extensive use. It won't be long before you start noticing heavy scratches, dents, and dulling in the polished finish. Finding a premium reproduction is important, and you'll be happy you went with us. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 and 69 El Camino tailgate panel molding kits. Our moldings are professionally manufactured from extruded aluminum using case-hardened steel tooling. The added benefit of that is the accuracy that it produces every time. Panel moldings feature authentic narrow satin paint strips and the molded ends that are finely detailed. To protect it from corrosion, every molding is clear anodized, giving it a bright finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.